Hi everyone. This is my first session. So we are going to discuss about the Cypress automation. So Cypress, I am working on the Cypress automation, and it is a very good tool. So very easy to implement the framework and very easy to implement the automation scripts. And also the easy way we are going to generate the automation script results. So Cypress automation, no? So Cypress is an open source tool where it supports the JavaScript language. So JavaScript language. So and also we will use the Visual Studio Code IDE. So where JavaScript is we can write the JavaScript code very comfortable in the Visual Studio Code. Yeah. And so about the Cypress, no Cypress inbuilding it gives the framework. So default framework where we can write the test cases, where we can maintain the functions, and where we can write the page objects. And also when we are running the Cypress automation tests, right? So which browser we need to select, either Google Chrome or Edge or Electron browser. We can run in browserless mode, like in and also on browser on. And also when we are running the automation tests in the Cypress test runner, so we can see on the left side the automation script wise, like script by script. And also test case we can see, and also automation script where it is running we can see. And also we can view, so like the button got clicked, the button plot is visible. The scripts we can see on the left side. On right side, we can see the application will be running, whether the button, so the user able to see the web application running. And also here one other greatest advantage is, so suppose button is there. Uh, so as a script, it clicked on the button. So we can find out before clicking on the button, what we can see the screenshot. After clicking on the button, we can see the screenshot. So Cypress has like greatest advantages and also very easy to implement. Also, those things we can discuss. I'm sharing my screen. So you all can see my screen, right? Yeah. So for downloads, see, I already downloaded Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is the IDE we will use. So for automation setup. So because JavaScript is like flexibility, so we can write in Visual Studio Code in a easy way. And so we'll download from here. So Visual Studio Code. So when I click on when I do the double click, it starts the installation process. So I already installed. It is available in my desktop. Just I click double click on it. So this is the UI. This is the ID we will find out. And we need to create the framework folder for this. Same. I will go to. Okay. I will go to the spacey. So I'll be creating here one new folder, Cypress automation. Cypress automation. So open this folder. We will do the setup now. So we have selected the folder. So this is the Cypress automation. See, it is empty now. Nothing is there. So now we need to do the Cypress installation process. So npm install we need to do. npm install, npm installation. So this is a node package manager. npm installation will do first. npm init. So it will initialize. So this is the package names. This is a Cypress automation version. Okay. Test command we can use. Okay, description. And so just so with the within the local, I am editing the scripts, right? I'm not giving anything. Other, I'll give learnings. A whole learnings I will give. learning, yeah, license. So this is okay. Yeah, Cypress automation. So we are in the folder. We are in the project folder. So installation we have done. We need to install npm install Cypress. Save. So we are saving locally. So let it install. So it got installed 27 packages and it will give this information. Now, so now Cypress has installed npx Cypress. One second. So go to the Cypress automation. Yeah. See, we can see. So this is the package.json. So package. So this is the what it contains. So it will give the project name and the version. So whatever the description, I didn't give any description. No. So initializing. So main it will take index.js file script. So other I gave a whole learning. Cypress we are using 10 version. So this is a package.json file. So if you when we are running through command line, no, we will provide the same scripts here to run the test cases. Okay. Now this is the package.json file. So this is the package.json file. Node modules. We'll come to the node modules. See. So these are the node modules. We will use it. So these are the node modules. So npm install. So we'll see the version npm -b. So this is the npm version, node package manager version, and also node. By default, it will install the node version v18. Cypress open. So we can see in the UI. So we can do now the 10 version is different. 10 version is different. Now the 10 version is different. See, it is giving end-to-end testing and component testing. Each component we can test it. Where developers can do the unit testing. End-to-end testing means as a tester, so we can go for the end-to-end testing. So this is a say what are all the browsers we need to execute. We need to execute. Start end-to-end testing. So I have selected Google Chrome. See. So there will be some sample test. It will be there. See. There are some sample tests already available. So Cypress. So this is a Cypress folder. So this is a support. So where we can maintain the page objects and also global functions we can maintain in the commands.js. And also under end-to-end, we can write the test cases. These are the sample test cases already they have given. So we'll execute one sample test case already has given. See, we need to click on it. So it is running in the Chrome browser. So this is the way. See, when I expand, no? So this is a visit, get, see where and all it is in. Okay, now, so even we can check the NPM of this version also. We'll go to here, the same thing, no? So this is the Cypress automation. So we are launching command prompt from here only from the folder. So npx Cypress hyphen version. We can see the version. What is the npx Cypress hyphen say Cypress package version 10 binary version. And also npm version we can use. We can see what is npm version 8.1. So this is the so we are launching the from Cypress folder. A command from the Cypress folder. So so if you want to run in the edge, so these are the existing test cases. So this is how the setup has done in a simple way. And also, see, I can run the action. These are the existing test cases. So we will learn, mm, so like implementing each and every test case. See, so it is running. How fast the execution is. I'll come up with more examples. So this is my first session, and it's a just introduction class. Okay. So Cypress installation and